Hi there, this is Shrikant. Today we will implement a combo box in Outsystem. The first step is to create a data entity. The customer is my first data entity. We will start creating few columns. Name, email, phone number, address, city, state, and the zip code. Next, we will create a static entity and we will add a few records. Email is going to be my first record. Second record is mail. Third record is going to be a text message. And fourth is going to be phone call. Okay. So we are done with the static entity and the customer entity. Now we will create a data model. To create data model, I'm going to drag customer table and entity one table. Let me rename the entity here. This is called communication preference type. Just going to drag and I'm going to establish many to one relationship between customer and the communication preference type. So once it is done, I will go to interface, then I'll go to main flow and I will again drag and drop my customer table, which in turn establish the relationship between the communication preference type and it will generate a list as well as a detail screen for me. Okay. Okay. Now we will publish the result. It is published. I'm going to test my changes. So default, I don't have any records here. I'm going to add new customer. Test at the rate of test1.com. Phone number is going to be 12345. Address is going to be 111 test street test city, and the zip code is going to be 12345, and state is going to be CA, and communication preference type I'm going to select phone call. Click on save. So I have created a customer, and let's create one more customer here. Name is Kathy at test.com. Phone number is going to be 555. Address is going to be 234 Main Street, SFO. Some 5-digit number for the zip code, and the state is CA. And I'm going to select text as a communication preference type. Click on save. That's it. So now we will verify whether Kathy's communication preference, it's going to be text, and Mike's communication preference is going to be phone call. So that way we can quickly implement combo box in Outsystem. If you observe here, the communication preference type value is not been displayed onto the table. To do that, what we have to display communication preference type value in this particular table. To do that, what I'm going to do is I will go to existing query here, get customer, and I will join this get customer with the communication preference type. Then I will go back to interface and just drag and drop the field value which I wanted to display. So just to change the label name here as communication preference type. Publish your code changes. Just again one click. It's uploading, compiling, deploying, and it's done. Now we can test our changes. We should be able to see the communication preference type both in the table as well as the detail view. Let's test that. As you see here, the phone call and text values are displayed correctly, and I'm able to sort as per the communication preference type. So pretty much all columns has this sorting feature here. Now I can update Kathy's communication preference from text to, let's say, mail. Save. And Kathy's communication preference is updated correctly as mail. Now Mike's communication preference, as of now, it's going to be phone call. I'm going to update this to, say, email. So Mike's communication preference is updated correctly, email. And I can also quickly test one more person, Sam. Email is s@yahoo.com. Phone number is, say, 101010, and the address is going to be 333 Cross Street, city is, say, SFO, and the zip code is going to be 12345, and the state is going to be CA, and the communication preference is going to be, I'm going to select as text message. Click on save. The newly added customer's communication preference method is updated correctly as text. So this way we can configure combo box value in detail as well as the list view. That's all for this video. Thanks for your time. You have a wonderful day. Bye.